In this video, you'll learn how to search for a seller on the eBay app. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to locate sellers efficiently and assess their credibility before making purchases. Begin by opening the eBay app on your device. Once the app is launched, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the screen. Tap on this bar to bring up the keyboard where you can enter the seller's username. It is crucial to type the username accurately to ensure the best search results. If a search suggestion appears that matches what you're typing, consider selecting it to save time. After entering the username, tap the search button to proceed with your query. The app will then display a list of search results related to the username you entered. If the results include a filter option labeled sellers, select it to narrow down your search specifically to seller profiles. This will help you quickly locate the seller you are interested in. Next, you will see a list of sellers that match your search criteria. Tap on the seller profile that corresponds to the username you are looking for. This action will take you to the seller's profile page where you can review their ratings and feedback score. It is important to check these ratings as they provide insight into the seller's reliability and performance. On the seller's profile, you will also find a section displaying their active listings. Take the time to browse through these listings to see what products the seller has available. Before making any purchases, verify the authenticity of the seller by reviewing their ratings and feedback from previous buyers. This step is essential to ensure a safe buying experience. If you find the seller appealing and wish to receive updates on their new listings, you can tap the Follow Seller option on their profile. This allows you to easily browse their listed products in the future. Additionally, if you have any questions or need further information, you can use the message option to contact the seller directly. Remember to save the seller's profile for quick access later. Regularly monitor their new listings and only proceed with purchases after thoroughly reviewing their ratings and feedback. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.